The OnePlus Ace 2 has been announced in China. Some of its key features include a 6.7-inch AMOLED with support for a 144Hz refresh rate, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 50-megapixel triple rear cameras, and 100W charging. The same device has been rebranded as the OnePlus 11R 5G in the Indian market. Now, in a new leak, reliable tipster digital chat station has revealed that OnePlus is working on a new Ace-branded phone for the Chinese market. He has tipped the model number and key specifications of the device. According to the tipster, the next OnePlus Ace has the model number PHP110. He revealed that the device has a 6.7-inch flat AMOLED display with a centrally positioned punch hole. The device offers a 1.5K resolution of 2772 by 1240 pixels and high-frequency dimming. Under the hood, the device will feature the Dimensity 9000 chipset and 16GB of RAM. It will be backed by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 100W charging. The leak states that its rear camera setup will feature a 64-megapixel OmniVision OV64M main camera, with an f/1.79 aperture, an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel Galaxy Core GC02M macro camera. While the tipster did not say anything about the storage and front camera of the device, it appears that it may offer up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and a 16-megapixel front camera. Last year, OnePlus released 3 Ace-branded models in China, such as the OnePlus Ace, the OnePlus Ace Racing Edition, and the OnePlus Ace Pro. The Ace 2 has been announced as a successor to the original Ace. The OnePlus Ace 2 Racing Edition is said to have a Dimensity 8200 chip on board. The same device is likely to be called the OnePlus Nord 3 in the global market. Hence, it appears that the OnePlus Ace phone with model number PHP110 could be the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro.